Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Kelvin Aymar. Today, I would like to share my opinion about smoking in the campus area. As we know, smoking has become a common habit among students, even in places where it should not be allowed. In my presentation, I will discuss why smoking in the campus area shall be prohibited and how it affects the environment and student health. Okay, I will speak about this. I disagree with smoking in the campus area. Smoking is very harmful because it contains dangerous chemicals like nicotine and tar that can cause serious disease. It also disturbs other people who do not smoke and pollutes the air. Campus should be a clean and healthy place for students to study. If people smoking in the campus area, it gives a bad example to others. That's why smoking should only be done in the smoking area or open space far from others. In conclusion, smoking in the campus area brings more harm than benefit. It not only affects smokers but also other people around them. Therefore, I believe all campus should be a smoke-free area to create a healthier and more comfortable environment for everyone. Thank you for attention. Okay, next part 2. I will explain about question word and I'm going to give a presentation about question word in English. Question words are very important because they help use us for information such as who, what, where, when, why, and how. In this presentation, I will explain their meanings and give some example to make them easier to understand. What are question words? Question words are what we often call what question, are interrogative words used to form question in English. Does that sound familiar? That's right. What questions are what we usually refer to as 5W plus 1H in Indonesian. They help us obtain the information we need in conversation or writing. For example, the word what is used to ask about something that does not have a specific form or characteristic. It can refer to an object, thing, action, or abstract concept. For example, about question word. Example 1. What is your favorite color? This question asks about a person's favorite color. Number 2. What time is it? This question asks about the current time. Number 3. What did you eat for breakfast? This question asks what someone eat for breakfast. Next, what are included in question words? Now, question words can be divided into the following categories: who, what, when, where, why, and of course, how. These are what we know as the 5W plus 1H. However, something seems to be missing, like in English, questions are not limited to just the 5W plus 1H. In addition to the ones mentioned above, there are also was and whom. Next, what is, where, when, what, who, why, whose, whom, and how. Okay, who. Who is a question word in English used to ask about the identity of a person or a group of people involved in an event, activity, or specific context. Who helps us identify the person or subject that is relevant within a particular situation. Next, for example, who. Who is he? Siapa dia? Who are your parents? Siapa orang tuamu? And who is the president of the company? Siapakah pemimpin perusahaannya? Next, for what? What is a question word in English used to ask about things, activities, or concepts that occur or are involved in certain event, activity, or context. Its function is to obtain information about a specific object, activity, or concept in a conversation or situation. For example, what? What is your favorite color? Apa warna favoritmu? What did you eat for breakfast? Apa yang kamu makan untuk sarapan? And what day is it? Hari apa ini? Next, explain about when. When is a question word in English used to ask about the time or period in which an event occurs. Its function is to obtain information about a specific time or period in a conversation or situation, and to help you understand the sequence or schedule of an event. For example, when. When did you arrive in Jakarta? Kapan kamu tiba di Jakarta? When does the movie start? Kapan filmnya dimulai? When do the stores close? Kapan toko-toko itu tutup? Okay, next. Explain about where. Where is a question word in English used to ask about the location or place where an event happens in a conversation or situation. Okay, next, for example, about where. Where is the nearest hospital? Di mana rumah sakit terdekat? Where did you go on vacation last year? Kemana kamu pergi berlibur tahun lalu? Where do you work? Di mana kamu bekerja? Next, explain about why. This word is used to ask about the reason behind an event, action, incident, or situation. So when we want to know why something happens or why someone does something, we can ask why. For example, why are you late? Kenapa kamu terlambat? And why are you crying? Kenapa kamu menangis? And why is the sky blue? Mengapa langit berwarna biru? Next, about whose. Whose is a question word in English used to ask about ownership or to find out who something belongs to. For example, Whose book is this? Buku ini milik siapa? Whose turn is it to do the dishes? Giliran siapa untuk mencuci piring? Whose phone rang during the meeting? Ponsel siapa yang berdering selama rapat? Next. Whom? Explain about whom. Whom is a question word used to ask about the person who is the object in a sentence. Whom help us determine the relationship between the subject and the object in a sentence. For example, to whom did you give the present? Kepada siapa kamu akan memberikan hadiah? Whom should I ask for help? Siapa yang sebaiknya saya minta bantuan? Whom are you waiting for? Kamu sedang menunggu siapa? And last in the explain, how. How is question word in English used to ask about the way or process by which an event or action is done. Its function is to obtain information about the method or procedure involved in a situation or activity. For example, how do you bake a cake? Bagaimana cara membuat kue? How did you learn to ride a bike? Bagaimana cara kamu belajar mengendarai sepeda? How do you cook pasta? How do you cook pasta? Bagaimana cara kamu memasak pasta? And conclusion. Conclusion. Question word help us and understand information in English. Each word has its own function to find out about people, things, time, place, reason, and more. By learning them, we can speak and write in English more clearly and confidently. Thanks for watching.